Join me as I dive into the future of college basketball and make my bold predictions for what's next in the game. College basketball is an institution in the sports landscape, one that's undergone significant changes over the years. As we move forward, it's essential to examine the evolution of the game and its implications on the sport as a whole. The current state of college basketball is marked by challenges that threaten to upend the traditional power structures. One of the most significant changes is the shifting landscape of player eligibility rules. The introduction of one-time transfers and the potential for freshmen to enter the NBA draft has created a seismic shift in how coaches recruit and build their teams. Add to that the impact of name, image, and likeness deals, which have given players a degree of autonomy and financial freedom that was previously unimaginable. The implications of these changes are far-reaching, and coaches are still trying to adapt to the new normal. For instance, the rise of super teams like Gonzaga and Baylor has shown that you can build a powerhouse program without relying on traditional recruiting pipelines. However, this has also led to a degree of consolidation, where top programs are able to poach top talent from smaller schools. Another consequence of these changes is the increased importance of relationships between coaches and players. With the transfer portal allowing players to switch teams with relative ease, coaches need to build strong relationships to keep their top talent from jumping ship. This has put a premium on coaching staffs that can connect with their players on a personal level. As we look ahead, it's clear that the transfer portal is going to continue to play a massive role in shaping the college basketball landscape. With players able to move freely, we are going to see more and more teams building their rosters through transfers rather than relying on traditional recruiting. The rise of the transfer portal has also led to a shift in how teams approach recruitment. Gone are the days of focusing solely on high school prospects. Now, coaches are scouring the transfer portal for proven commodities that can contribute immediately. This has put a premium on talent evaluators who can identify hidden gems and project how they'll fit into a specific system. One pivotal moment that could shape the future of college basketball is the potential expansion of the NCAA tournament. There are rumors that the tournament could expand to 96 teams, which would fundamentally alter the fabric of the sport. This would give more teams a chance to participate in the big dance, but it could also lead to a watering down of the competition. Another potential game changer is the proposed changes to the college basketball playoff structure. With the current system favoring power conferences, there's a growing movement to create a more inclusive and equitable system that rewards deserving teams from smaller conferences. This could lead to a more competitive and exciting postseason, but it would require a fundamental shift in how the NCAA approaches its premier event. Looking back on the challenges and trends we've discussed, it's clear that college basketball is at a crossroads. The sport is evolving rapidly, and coaches, players, and fans need to adapt to these changes if we want to see the game continue to thrive. In conclusion, the future of college basketball is uncertain, but one thing is clear: it's going to be shaped by the changes we are seeing today. What do you think is next for college basketball? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to check out my thoughts on player development trends, be sure to check out my previous video.